Hey everyone, it's Chris. I just want to give you a quick update on what I've been working on over the last few months. This video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do, but I haven't posted much on YouTube for a few weeks now, and that's because I've been working on something really big behind the scenes. If you follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on Facebook and you're within the Dropshipping Masterminds group, you will have seen some of the posts that I put out there about what is coming up. In a few days' time, I'm going to be releasing a 6-part video series that's going to walk you through my data-driven dropshipping strategy. This is the biggest strategy and the best strategy I've ever discovered when it comes to dropshipping, and I'm also going to be including that within the newest release of my Advanced Dropshipping Academy. So in this video, I just want to give you a little behind-the-scenes look of what I've been working on and give you a quick update on what is going on with my dropshipping business and where I am with this Academy update and what's actually going to be available to you guys in the coming weeks. So I've basically been working on a ton of stuff for you guys, and this update to the Academy is going to be the best and biggest update that I have ever done, ever. You know, like the people who are in the Academy would have already seen kind of the content that's included, but this release has got new strategies, it's got new scaling techniques, it's got my resurrection retargeting method. And this is something I've been working on for a number of years now. And one of the videos in that free 6-part video series is going to be about the resurrection retargeting method. So make sure you keep an eye out for that as well. Like I said, the 6-part video series will be coming very soon, so these videos will start unlocking. And for people who have been following me on Instagram, people who have been following me on Facebook, will have already had the link to the early bird access to get these videos. So if you are interested in learning about this data-driven dropshipping method, then there is a link to the early bird waitlist down below. And I think if I just go over here, I think there's currently 292 people on that early bird waitlist to get access to these videos. I haven't really started to promote this fully just yet, but if you want to get access to these videos when they go live, then hit the link down below this video and sign up to that early bird waitlist. This update is probably the biggest and the best update that I've ever done to the Academy, and I actually cannot wait for you guys to get hold of it because the potential it has is incredible. So just wanted to give you a quick update on this. As some of you know, I also launched a brand new dropshipping store at the end of April. Just want to give you a quick update on that as well. So between May the 1st and May 31st, it did just short of £31,000. As you can see, I had a bit of a drop off here, and that's because I had major issues with my supplier and stock levels. I really couldn't sustain the level it was growing up to, so I basically had to drop my ads until my supplier could sort the stock, because I'd never expected them to run out of stock as quickly as they did, which is a major issue for this brand, and it's something I really should have looked into before I started scaling, but I didn't. I made a mistake, and that's kind of the impact of it now. So I've had to reduce my ad spend just to basically sort out this stock issue, and then as soon as I get the stock started with the supplier, I'll be looking to scale this again. But for the first full month of this new brand, it's done like £31,000 in the first full month. I think if I just go back into April, we can see roughly when I started this. Yeah, so it was around the 20th of April I started testing them and putting things out, sorting things out, and then I started to scale it. But so it's done like, yeah, 36,500 in just a little over a month on this new brand, which is going quite well. Obviously, if I didn't have the issues with the supplier, it would have been a lot better. But that is the nature of running a business. You know, mistakes do happen, issues do occur, and you have to basically overcome them to be able to grow even more. So that's what I'm working on right now. I'm trying to grow that brand even further. Need to sort out that stock issue and get going with it. But the major thing that's coming up right now over the next few days is going to be that release of the 6-part video series. And that's going to talk you through all about the power of data-driven dropshipping and how you can start to implement it on your stores. So if you want to get access to that free 6-part video series and you're interested in learning more about data-driven dropshipping and the upcoming release of the Advanced Dropshipping Academy, then drop your name and email on that early bird waitlist and get signed up. Everyone on that early bird waitlist is going to get access before everybody else. So if you are interested, that link is for you, so make sure you sign up today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on any future content about dropshipping and the data-driven dropshipping method. Some of that stuff could potentially change everything with your store, so you really don't want to miss it. If you want to see more behind-the-scene videos like this, if you want to see more vlog style on this channel, hit that like button. I do a lot of educational content, and it's more structured and more sort of like professional, I suppose. And if you want to see more casual things like this and more behind the scenes, then hit that like button. Let me know down below. Drop me a comment. Tell me whether you like this style or not. If you do, then I'll try and do some more of this for you guys, because I want to try and, you know, bring you into this, and I want to let you know what's going on with my life and my business, and also give you some valuable information that you can use to grow yours as well. So if this is something you are interested in, you want more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, drop your name on that early bird waitlist, and I'll catch you in the next one.